Valerie Fab-Uche. I'm from Nigeria and I'm exhibiting an installation of mirrors and cockroaches. The exhibition is about apprehension, which is about fear, the fear of things we do not understand. But when we get to understand that there is really nothing to be afraid of, it's like a call to humanity. Like, we are all human beings first, before we are black, white, male, female, gay, straight, whatever it is the labels are. So sometimes, because we do not understand the lifestyle of someone or the culture of somebody else, we tend to be apprehensive towards that person. So basically, it's just talking about apprehension and how we should be all inclusive as human beings and try to understand each other, because tomorrow, eventually, there will be more of us.